children, welcome back to our class. In last lecture we have seen the new chapter, the junk sailor. In that we have seen that Kiran, who is from Patna, and she has opened one junk shop with the help of her mother-in-law, and she is earning money. Okay, so this everything is related to money. So now in this lecture we are going to see about money. Okay, in India we use rupees and paise as money. Every country has their different currency. Okay, for example, in Dubai we use dirham, dollar is there. Okay, like that different currency is there for every country. So in India, what we use rupees and paise as money. Okay, in our daily life we purchase the required things from a shop and pay money to the shopkeeper for the purchased things. Okay, without money no shopkeeper will give us anything. Not only to buy the thing, if any service also we want to buy, then we have to pay money. For example, if we are going to hotel, if we are going to hospital, if we are going to park, then entry fees we have to pay. Okay, like this, if we want to see the movie, then we have to pay we have to buy the ticket. So everywhere we need money. Now see, here in India we have money available in two forms. First is coins and second is currency notes. Okay, now see what are the coins and what is meant by currency notes. First we will see coins. Okay, the shapes and size of coins are changed from time to time. Nowadays the coins of 1 paise to 25 paise are not in use. Earlier it was there. I will show you the pics of that also. Okay, the coins of 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee. Okay, these denominations are mostly in use now. Now still we are using these coins. Okay, see these coins. These are all new coins which are currently in use. Okay, if you will see, this is 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin. This is 1 rupee coin. Okay, sorry, 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee. So these coins are currently in use. We are using these coins. Okay, now see, these are the old coins which are not in use. See, this is 2 paise. Here you can see the year of publication, so 1971. This is 3 paise, 1968. Okay, this is 20 paise, 10 paise. See, different 2 coins of 20 paise, 5 paise. Okay, now this is 50 paise. This is 25 paise. This is 1957. Okay, and this is 1 mohor. Okay, in earlier days we used to for mohors and not coins. Now see here, this is also 1 rupee. This is 1 paisa. Okay, rupaye ka 100 bhag means 1 part of 100. Okay, so this is of 1964. So these all are the old coins which are not in use now. Now the next is notes, currency notes. The shapes and sizes and designs of these currency notes are changed from time to time. Okay, every time it is changing. Last year demonetization was there. You can discuss with your parents that our Chief Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, he has declared demonetization. So you can discuss with your parents that what happened that time exactly and what he has declared. Okay, and what problems we have faced and how it is useful for us. Okay, now see in case of rupee 1, rupee 2, rupee 5. Okay, denominations are used for coins also as well as notes also. So we use notes also and coins also for this. 1 rupee, 2 rupee notes are rarely available now. It is there in use but rarely available. I will show you the photos of those notes. 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee, 200 rupee, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees. These notes are available now, which are currently we are using in the market. Now we will see the photos. See, these all are the new notes. See, there are 3 different types of 10 rupee note. This is the new note which currently we are using. This is also old note which we are using, but now this is the new design of 10 rupee note. This is 20 rupee note. Earlier it was red, now it is green. This is 200 rupees note. Earlier 200 rupee note was not exist. Okay, this is 100 rupee, 50 rupee, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees. These all are the new notes. Okay, now see old notes. We will see old notes also. See, these are the old notes. Earlier 1000 rupee note was available. Now that note is not there. This is 500 rupee note, 100 rupees, 5 rupees, 50, 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 20 rupees, 10 rupees. See, I told you 2 and 1 rupee note. Now it is not currently, it is in use, but it is not available in the market. Very rarely we can see these notes. See the next. Now see how to write money in the words and figure. Okay, how to write. Rules for writing money in words and figure. How to write the money. Okay, the first is abbreviation used for a rupee is rupee, R-E. Okay, and for 1 rupee it is written as rupee 1. So we have to write this rupee before the number. Okay, then rupees is written in short as rupees, R-S and dot. And 5 rupees is written as rupees 5. Now see what is the difference here. Here R-E rupee means it is a singular form. It is written only for rupee 1. Okay, and this rupees is written 2 and onwards. It is a plural form of rupee. Now see for paisa we write P only. This letter P we use to write show the paisa. It is written after the number of paisa. Now see here rupees we write before the number and paisa we write after the number. For example, see 50 paisa is written as 50p. 8 paisa is written as 8p. So this is the difference how to write. Now to express an amount consisting of both rupees and paisa, we use a small point which is called a decimal point. The numerical indicated rupees is written before this point and the numerical indicating paisa is written after the point. Okay, I will show you some examples, then you will understand better. We write rupees before the number of numerals. Now see here how to write. See 10 rupees 40 paisa is written as rupees 10.40. So this is the decimal point and before the decimal point which number is there? It is rupees, and after decimal point which number is there? It denotes paisa. Now see second 8 rupees 25 paisa. It is written as rupees 8.25. 128 rupees 43 paisa is written as rupees 128.43. Okay, so this is the way to write the rupees. If the given number of paisa is in 1 digit, then it is made a 2-digit numerical by putting 0 before the single digit. See 7 rupee 5 paisa is written as rupees 7.05. If you will write 7.5, so it meaning is 7 rupees 50 paisa. If we want to write 5 paisa, then we have to add 0 before that 5. Now see here 12 rupees 7 paisa, so it will be written as 12.07. If the money is only in rupees, then it is written as, now here see paisa is not there, only rupees we want to show. So how we will write 8 rupees is equal to rupees 8 or rupees 8.00 because paisa is not there, only rupees are there. 15 rupees can be written as rupees 15 or rupees 15.00. If the money is only in paisa, now see here what we have seen, here rupees and paisa both were available. Here only rupees were available and now here only paisa is there. So only paisa, how to write 45 paisa? So it can be written as rupees 0.45. Now at the place of rupees 0 is there because 45 paisa is less than 1 rupee. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. This all you know. Okay. So it can be written as rupees 0.45 or 45 paisa. 56 paisa can be written as rupees 0.56 or 56 paisa. 8 paisa can be written as rupees 0.08. 35 paisa can be written as 0.35 or 35 paisa. So like this we can write, and how to read that I told you. Now see, in conversion, now we will see conversion, how to convert the money. In conversion of money we will learn to convert the amount from rupees to paisa and from paisa to rupees. Conversion from rupees to paisa and from paisa to rupees is based on this basic fact. What is the fact? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa or vice versa, 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. When 100 paisa will come together, then it will become 1 rupee. Now see, from this fact we find that 1 rupee means 100 paisa, 2 rupees means 200 paisa, 5 rupees means 500 paisa, 10 rupees means 1000 paisa. Okay, now here 100 paisa means 1 rupee, 200 paisa means 2 rupees, 500 paisa means 5 rupees. So this is opposite I have written. So how to convert? Now we will see how to convert the money, means rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Now see here how to convert rupees into paise. Okay, we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So when we convert rupees into paise, we multiply by 100. Okay, because it is increasing when we are converting rupees into paise. So it is increasing because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 2 rupees is equal to 200 paisa. So it is increasing. So we have to multiply it. For example, rupees 4.25. Now here 4 rupees 25 paisa. I told you this is the decimal point. Before decimal point, which number we write? It is rupees. And after decimal point, which numeral we write? It is paisa. So rupees 4 plus 25 paisa. See here 4.25 means 4 rupees and 25 paisa. So 4 rupees means what? 4 into 100 because 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. So 4 into 100 plus 25 paisa. So 4 into 100 is equal to 400 plus 25. So 400 plus 25, 425 paise. Like this we have to convert. Now see few more example we will see. Now here see rupees 0.60. Now here at the place of rupees 0 is there. So rupees 0 plus 60 paisa. So 0 into 100, 0. If we multiply any number with 0, we get answer 0. So 0 into 100 is 0 plus 60. So is equal to 60. Now see here rupees 11.05. So rupees 11 and here 05 is the paisa. So 11 rupees means what? 11 into 100. It is 1100 plus 05 paise. So what will be the total? 1105 paise. Now see one more example. 14 rupees. So rupees 14 plus 00 paise. Now here at the place of paise it is 0. So 14 into 100 is equal to 1400 plus 0. So 1400 paise. 14 rupees is equal to 1400 paise. Now see here next. So thus to convert rupees and paise into paise, we remove the decimal point. This is the short method. Okay, and symbol rupee or rupees and write paise on the right of the number so obtained. So see example rupees 7.25. What we do? We remove this decimal point and we remove this rupees also and we add paise at the opposite side. Now see here rupees 11.85. Remove decimal point, remove rupees and add paise. Okay, so this is the short form how to write. Okay, now see the next. How to convert paise into rupees. Now this is the opposite. Earlier we have seen how to convert rupees into paise. Okay, now see we know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So when we convert rupees into paise, we divide it by 100. So for example 25 paisa. So 25 paisa divided by 100 is equal to 0.25. 25 paisa is less than 100. So it is not complete 1 rupee. It is less than 1 rupee. So that's why at the place of rupees will be 0.25. We will see few more examples, then you will understand better. See 150 paisa. What is meant by 150 paisa? So it is more than 100 paisa. 100 plus 50. So 100 paisa means what? 1 rupee. And this is 0.5 rupees. So rupees 1.5. Here 1275 paisa. So 1200 paise plus 75 paise. So 1200 paise means rupees 12 plus rupees 0.75. So it will be rupees 12.75. So like this we can do the conversion. In short, how we can write this to convert paise into rupees and paise? The point called decimal point is placed after the 2 digits from the right side of the number and showing paisa, and then rupees is written on the extreme left. Now see, earlier we have seen that we have to remove decimal point, we have to remove rupees and we have to add paise. Here is opposite. We have to remove paise and we have to add rupees in the left hand side, and 2 numbers we have to leave from our right side and you have to give 1 decimal point here. So it will be rupees 4.5. So 1375 paise. Leave 2 numbers, give decimal point and add here rupees, remove paisa. Again here see 75 paise. From now see here only 2 digits are there. So we have to give decimal point here, and at the place of rupees nothing is there. So we have add here 10, then rupees we have written. Like this you can see the other example also. So like this we have to convert the rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Okay children, so today we have seen money. Okay, and how to convert rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Now one activity I am going to give you. You just find out some images of old coins and old notes from the Google, and you take the photo of that or print of that and you paste in your notebook, and you also find out the currency of other nations also. As example, I have given you that in Dubai we use dirham as a currency. So in other countries, what is the currency they use, that you make the list and send it to me. Today I will send you one worksheet also based on this. So solve it and send it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.